Boys and girls, guess what? It is that time. Wycliffe Public Library After School Adventures, and I obviously do the STEAM program, the Fabulous Five, STEAM, the Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. And today, we're going to do a few, but you know what happens to Mrs. D on that lovely children's librarian. But when it comes time to do my after-school adventures and my science, I put my lab coat on, and I miraculously turned from Mrs. D to Miss Discovery. And here, today we're going to do two things. We're going to do the science part, and we're going to hit a little bit of engineering and math. First, I need to steam ahead with science and see if we can do a better one. That was a nice train whistle. So, right here, we're going to start with the science, and that is, I'm going to do a demonstration for you. The science we're going to talk about right here is a chemical reaction that will be happening. All right? Now, what it is I'm going to have a vinegar, which is right here, just a type of acid, all right? Not one that hurts you, not that strong. It's used in food. It's A-okay to handle, all right? And then I have some sodium bicarbonate, or as we know, baking soda, all right? And that is a base. One, it won't hurt you. In fact, they use it in cleaning, they use it in cooking. Use it in cooking in the very same way, guess what, as our experiment's going to be, or our demo will be, all right? Now, what you need is, you will need 3 ounces in a cup. 3 ounces, a little less, a little more than 1/3 of a cup. 3 ounces of vinegar in a bottle, which is right here, right? And then you take a tablespoon of baking soda. Now a tablespoon is kind of hard to get in the box, so Mrs. D did the trick of 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon. I took the 3 teaspoons, I put it in a cup, took a balloon, put it over the funnel, right? Cup, take the balloon, and we go over the end of a funnel, only because it's easier to fill that way. And you would turn it this way, see, and pour your baking soda in here. Okay. Once it's in there, it's on the bottom of the balloon, and that's what you would then have a parent hold this, or hold your bottle, or put it in something secure. All right, and then a chemical reaction will occur because we will be taking the baking soda and mixing it with the vinegar. And what happens is a chemical reaction occurs between the acid and the base. When they're mixed together, a violent reaction will occur and a lot of fizzing. And something called gas will be produced, which will blow up the balloon. But before we do the demo, as anything in science, you need to be safe. Now, in this case, I don't need to have gloves. These are pretty safe chemicals. They were used in cooking, whatever. But as far as protecting your eyes, that you've got to do, baby. So if you're doing this at home, put an extra pair of glasses on, a plane, something to protect you as far away, or definitely have mom and dad help. All right, we're going to see what happens when Mrs. D mixes. It's going to take a little bit of time. You know what I'm going to do? Take it out of the here so maybe you could see it better. I'm going to take the baking soda, and we'll see what happens. Oh my goodness! It fizzes. The gas is produced because of the violent reaction going on inside the bottle, and boy, is it going on. And there it is, a demonstration of a chemical reaction between acid and base. And what happens? The actual reaction is chemically changing what's going on in here and producing the gas to blow up the balloon. I have one last thing to leave you with, boys and girls, and that is, at least with the science part, and that's with a little bit of a joke. What should you do when one laughs at your science jokes? Keep trying it until you get a reaction.